everyone, this is me Sanjris Farha and welcome back to our channel The Chowdhuries. Today I'm gonna show you how to keep yourself in a balanced diet and it's easy to cook within 15 minutes. For that I have chosen dorado fish, a fillet. Then I have chosen some vegetable. The vegetable you can choose accordingly, which is broccoli, cauliflower, beans, some carrots and baby marrow. First of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all the vegetables beside the baby marrows in a plastic box and put it in a microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Now the vegetables are ready. Now it's time to saute. It's healthy if you can eat like this with little bit of salt and pepper, but I don't like the watery taste of the vegetable. That's why I love to saute it a little bit in oil. We need very less oil for that, maybe 1 teaspoon oil. And we're gonna saute the vegetable in high heat or very high flame. Let's add the baby marrows. Let's add some salt and pepper. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetable is almost done. Now we're gonna add the mushrooms. It's better to add mushroom later. It keeps the taste of mushroom and the light flavor of the mushroom. The vegetable is ready. It's time to prepare the fish. We'll add just a pinch of salt and some red chili powder and rub it nicely. I took off the skin, fish skin, because I usually don't like the smell of the fish, fish skin. I'm just gonna rub it. Then I'm gonna add again a little bit of oil in the pan to fry the fish, maybe 1 tablespoon. It's better if you use non-stick fry pan. It will take less oil and it becomes very healthy. Now I'm gonna fry it in a very low heat so that heat goes inside and the fish is well cooked. I'm not gonna over fry it. It's gonna ruin the taste because the over fried fish will not go with the vegetable. Now I'm gonna serve myself with some baked beans. Vegetable, and now I'm gonna put the fish on top. Now I'm gonna cut half an avocado and serve with it. Avocado is actually very healthy fat and it's very delish. I have put some avocado, actually half an avocado in the plate. Now the platter is ready to eat. So This is my 15 minutes a balanced diet platter. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and soon we'll come up with another video. Till then, stay with us. Bye.